Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about Wi-Fi printing is slow. Shared Wi-Fi printers. Wi-Fi printers are quite popular these days since it means you only need one printer. You only need one printer in the household. However, if the Wi-Fi signal is having issues, if the Wi-Fi signal having issues, you might end up with a situation where your Wi-Fi printer takes a long time to get started, or even pauses mid-print while it waits for its buffer to fill up again. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.